Hi. So, y'all know that I can solve Rubik's Cubes, right? And I solved these two. But I got new cubes. So you look, we got a Mega Minx, we got a Pure Minx, and we got a Squish Cube. What's wrong with it? It's really good. It's good. Squishy. I'm gonna solve all these. And, I guess I do also have I guess I do also have a 4x4, but it kind of popped. Now it's broken, and I don't know how to fix it. It's kind of hard to fix it. It's kind of dumb. I'm not gonna lie. I guess I could solve this if I had enough time. I'm not gonna solve this one now. All right, gonna do this one first. I'm gonna do the pyramids. Okay, corners, and now we solve. Okay, that's solved. I'm gonna do this one next. This one actually can turn. This one turns pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It's also satisfying to solve. Whoa, what am I doing again? Yeah, I'm solving this cube. That's right. Okay. Let me do this. And then we do this. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'll take it back. Turning is terrible. Get out of here. Okay. Now for the big boy. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This cute. Fun fact: the Mega Minx actually really isn't. I don't. Okay, well, I don't even know what the fact. The frick. Oh my gosh, the Mega Minx is actually not that difficult to solve. It's just the reason. I think the reason that it takes so long is because it has so many sides. It's 12 sides, I think. So I think that's the reason why it takes so long to solve. Because I think like the best time is either 21 seconds or like 27 seconds, somewhere in the range.
27 seconds.
Huh?
27 seconds, pretty sure.
Well, look it up. You have a computer.
I'm in Minecraft right now. Also, Max Payne 127, guys. Friend me. Or send me a request.
I have no clue what you're talking about, but I guess.
Minecraft, guys. Max Payne 127 is my name. Come on, I need more friends. I'm lonely.
You good? Good. Did you hear me? I said good. You don't even care. Dang. Okay, there we go. Not. Oh, I'm doing this pretty good. Pretty good. Ooh, I'm gonna solve it in time. 100% positive. I'm gonna solve it in time. I'm gonna solve it in time. Oh, okay.
He's gonna not on the but I can't say that.
Max, I'm gonna fight you.
Let's go, buddy. Whoa.
Whoa, okay, wait, what am I doing? Whoa, I forgot how to do this. Again, I mean, what?
Again.
I don't know. I'm having a brain fart.
Brain fart?
Shut up.
Why is your brain farting?
Shut up.
That's just a genuine question.
Shut up.
You all right?
You hush, child. Okay, wait, I think this is right. Okay, now we're on the final steps, kinda, not really. Okay, well I did the wrong one, but it's fine. Well, no, it's not wrong. It's not wrong. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about a whole bunch of nothing, okay?
Yeah, 'cause you don't know how to talk like me, bro. I was probably on that last video that you had to do.
Yeah, you're a Yapatronic, we know.
Go in the comments, guys, and just say, who's better, me or Jaden?
They don't even know who you are. They barely know who you are, bud.
I'm sorry, I had more subscribers than you.
So?
So what? Like what? I don't understand.
At least my account's still up. You hush.
Guys, did you see that? You just attacked my account, bro. That's violence.
Cry about it, boy.
Okay, now that, you can't do that.
Okay, there we go. Oh, getting closer. Getting close to solving it. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, there we go. What did I just... No, okay, wait. Okay, I think... I completely did that algorithm wrong, but it worked. Okay. Okay. Are you playing Minecraft right now, right?
Yeah, that's why I told him, guys, friend me. I'm my account on Minecraft. Please.
All right. The last turn. Boom. Well, now.